Okay, so this dog right here, yeah, this is my dog. My dog, Gracie. I know, isn't she the cutest? Oh, this is little. This is the little. This is the mega little bear. Yep, this is the Mega Big Bear Jr. Well, Gracie's a girl, so Mrs. the Mega Big Bear Jr., I guess. I don't know. She's gonna have a YouTube. I know you can just see her ears. This is kind of weird, but here you go. There's my baby dog. She is, go ahead, Gracie. She's a Jack Russell Terrier mixed with Dachshund and something else, I forget. Dachshund, Basset Hound, Wiener Dog, Jack Russell, Chihuahua. I think that's it. She's a mutt. Yes, I said mutt. So eat that, YouTube. Alright, bye.